Alright, this is the way we have to go. Hopefully the road will be clear down there. And by the way guys, I'm very close to hitting 5,000 kilometers on the bike. We are at 4,959. There's another problem. Shit. Oh my god, that's a power line. Didn't even see that. Power line right next to me. The line is going all the way to the ground. The tree just took it down completely. Should I go that way? I have 60% battery left, so let's try to find another way through here, through the woods. And the damage is crazy. Can you guys see that? Look at that. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So many trees just went down. Let's continue. We go up here. I'll try to go back up closer to the road, see if it's clear. This is insane. Go through here. Yes, we can. This is muddy. This is wet. Nice. Power line is just above me. Still high enough. Unreal. I have to go in again. Should I just go back? I'm really thinking if I should go back. Well, I'm not far from the main road. I'm gonna push on them. Let's push. No more power lines. There's another tree down. It's ridiculous. The path. Let's see where it takes us. Another tree. This is insane. Should be back close to the road now. Let's see. This bike is really putting the work in today. Absolute chaos. I'm sweating. It's also very hot today. That's the main road. That should be over. Yes, it's clear. Alright guys, successful mission. That was crazy. And the wild thing is that I burnt only 3% of my battery through those woods right now.